All right. What's up, folks? Guess what? I got a little surprise for you guys. A lot of people been asking me, hey, how do you get the video games? I see you playing video games on the live. I'm going to show you how I do it. All right. And please do not be illegal with this, okay? Do not pirate the games like that. Do not try to sell them or anything like that, all right? Make sure you already own these games. All right, these are emulators and these are ROMs. I'm not going to show you guys where to get the ROMs. I'm not. But you can type in ROMs and you can find them. But what I'm going to do is show you what to do once you get the ROMs. So I'll show you where to get the emulators. And the emulators means the system. The ROMs means the games. Okay, so we're going to type in emulators. And right away, you're going to see emulator zone. There you go. Let's go on the left here. Let's play Super Nintendo. And let's get this one, the top one, SNES. Just click it, then scroll down. Just follow along with me, folks. If you follow along with me, it'll work. It'll probably work even if you don't follow along, but I suggest you follow along so you save time, okay? So we're gonna click this one. It's gonna start downloading. There you go. Now we're gonna go here, open where it is, right click it. Actually, no, let's make a little folder and put it in there. And the folder is gonna be called Super Nintendo. Okay, so we're gonna right click, paste it in there, right click again and extract here or unzip. If you don't have WinRAR, get it, it's free, but I'm pretty sure you have an unzipper. So extract here, boom, that's it. Now we have the system, which is AKA the emulator. But what good is the system without the game? So I'm not gonna show you guys where I get the game, but the games are called ROMs. Okay, so you guys can find where you get the ROMs from. And basically, after you get your game, right? We're gonna create a folder in the Super Nintendo folder, and we're gonna call it ROMs games, just in case you forget what ROMs are. Right? Follow along with me, folks. And what we're gonna do, paste it in there. You don't have to unzip this. Do not unzip this folder, okay? I could be wrong, but I think you don't have to unzip it. Now we're pretty much almost done. All you're gonna do is click on the SNEX. So just go to File, Load Games. It doesn't have a directory for the games, and there should be, but we'll go to Load Game. And as you can see, I didn't put it in the place that it thought it would be. So let's just go to where it is, right here. And I'm actually going to copy this and put it in the other folder to see if the games automatically show up. So I'm gonna paste that there. And there you go. Now, folks, before you start the game, you should have your controller plugged in. You can use a PS4, PS3, a Nintendo Switch controller. I think. Don't quote me on that one. But you can definitely use PS4, PS3, Xbox One, and Xbox 360 controller. Don't quote me on that either. But you can Bluetooth or wire your controllers. Now, make sure your controller is plugged in before you start up the emulator, or else it might not even recognize your controller. Now, let's just see if it recognized my controller. We're going to go to Input Configuration. All right. And it says Joypad 1 enabled. So let's go to, okay, up, left, down, right. As you can see, it's working for me. Follow the screen. Follow over here. It shows you the controllers, the buttons, okay? Follow them. I'm not sure what's going on with this. Why? Oh, up left. That would be that. Up right. So when it says up left, you're basically going to do a diagonal to the top left and diagonal to the top right. Down right, bottom, diagonal right, down left, up, see? Whenever it does this, that means two things are in conflict. So just make sure this goes green by down left. There you go. Now we're good. Now we're good to go. Go to OK. Now, you see how the screen looks? Let's see if we can fix that. Go to Video, Full Screen. It kind of fixed it. To get out of this, just press Escape. It's starting up. There you go, folks. That's how you get Super Nintendo on your computer. Also, if you want to get it on your phone, follow the same steps and go to the Play Store. I don't know if it's Play or Pay Store. I haven't used that in such a long time. Either way, it's there. Play Store or Pay Store on your Google thing, or for Apple or iPhone, it's going to be RetroArch. That's right. So here, we're playing. Woo! Right. Isn't it cool? It's cool, right? Whoa. The input's a little bit laggy. It could be that I'm recording at the same time that I'm playing the game, but I'm playing it. So here we go, folks. Still one of the best games ever made. And that's how you do it, folks, okay? Thank you for stopping by Teaching Beats Podclass. I hope you learned something. I know this was a little different from what I usually do, but listen, video games right now, people are making money on video games, okay? They're streaming their video games. They're talking to people. Hey, remember back in the days when our parents used to be like, get off those games. They're not going to do anything for you. You think you become some video game person? And here we are now, where people are actually becoming millionaires off this. Anyways, I know I dragged this on. You guys have a great day. Much respect once again. I hope you learned something. If you did, like the video. If you want to see more, subscribe. Keep the notification bells on. And until next time, y'all stay safe out there.
She said expensive cars, they get her so moist. Some GTA She's shit, talking baby. About a Tesla, all the wanna ride in a Rolls Royce. She said expensive cars, they get her so moist. And a Jaguar, that was her first choice. So let your money speak for you, girl, like you got no voice. And let your actions speak for you, dog, like you got no choice. Dreaming on a Jaguar. Hope it's coming with a black card, a backyard. Good girls, they love those bad cars, She was dreaming on a Jaguar. She said expensive cars, they get her so moist. And a Tesla, maybe a Rolls Royce. She said expensive cars, they get her so moist. Talking about a Jaguar, that was her first choice. So let your money speak for you, girl, like you got no voice.